in the house with Brendo. Today, we're gonna smoke some ribs. All right, just like we did with the pork butt, the first thing we need to do is olive oil these babies up so we can make sure the rub sticks. All right, you guys. This morning, I spent some time making my super secret rub. We're gonna add this to both sides of the ribs, making sure it's evenly coated. Yum. We want to make sure these ribs have nice, good flavor. Look at the color in that rub. All right, these babies are ready for the barbecue. All right, guys, let's add these to our smoking hot barbecue. See you guys later. Welcome back, guys. After about 3 hours of cooking, it's time to wrap the meat. Yum, don't those look good? Placing the meat face side down, we're gonna wrap it with butter and honey. Place it back on the grill, meat side down, and cook for about another 45 minutes. Hey guys, our ribs are almost ready. Let's sauce them up. Yum, they're falling off the bone. Let these bad boys sit for about 20 minutes to let the sauce set up. Yum! Don't these ribs look delicious? See you guys next time!